Hello everyone! I'm Atomy's curator, Hyun Lee. If you think of 10 years of history of Atomy, there is a product that comes to mind right away. It's the one that sat on Mother's dressing table all the time. Atomy's Skincare 6 System. That's why I'm reminded of my mother when I smell the scent of the 6 System. Placed inside my memories and the history of Atomy is the 6 System, which now has new technologies that will maintain its values and was upgraded with new materials. Ta-da! The Fame, which will keep your everlasting beauty. I'm sure many of you have already tried this, and compared to the existing 6 System, you'll feel that the technologies have been upgraded. First of all, just like the 6 System, it uses Atomy's 4 technologies. Firstly, it uses high purification technology that removes oxidants and condenses effective ingredients. Secondly, fresh herb extraction biotechnology that processes freshly gathered herbs the same day. Thirdly, Linteus rice extract, Bifida ferment lysate, Philinus linteus extract, etc. Fermentation technology that maximizes the efficacy and effects of the ingredients using microorganisms. Lastly, using such excellent ingredients and technologies and the ingredients we create, multiple capsulation delivery technology was used to deliver them deep into the skin, while continuing the 4 technologies. New technologies that improve moisturizing effects and upgraded by adding new materials. It is the Fame. Let me first introduce you to the 3 new materials. First is panthenol, which boasts ultra-moisturizing. The ingredient that is absolutely contained in products for infants is panthenol. Panthenol not only prevents skin dryness, but also strengthens skin barriers and soothes the skin. The second is a 5-step hyaluronic acid. There are many hyaluronic acid products in the market, but most of them are 1-step or 3-step the most. However, the Fame applied hyaluronic acid in ultra-low molecules, low molecules, mesomolecules, high molecules, and ultra-high molecules uniformly. From deep inside the skin to the outside, hydration is provided thoroughly. The third is ceramide, which helps nurture the power the skin originally has. It prevents moisture evaporation, protects the skin against external harmful materials, and strengthens the skin layer. It also satisfied the strict European standards. The Fame obtained excellent grade certified by Dermatest, which is a dermatology research center in Germany, and was recognized for no irritation. There are so many things to boast about, and yet I haven't even shown you the design. Let me explain it one by one. If you look at the back part of the case, you can see that it has all the ingredients labeled in detail. This is pride Atomy has regarding the ingredients. If you open the case, a toner, essence, eye cream, nutrition cream, and lotion. So one set is composed of these 5. Compared to round-shaped containers, these have much better grip, and the design is also elegant with its triangular prism shape. And you can also see the neat cap design, which is the same as the Absolute line. Let me start with the toner. So the first impression is that since it is viscous, I thought it could be slightly heavier than the light water toner. But 5-step hyaluronic acid provides instant skin moisturizing, so it's as if the skin is drinking water. It feels as if your skin is getting moisturized and refreshed. Next is the eye cream. So usually, eye cream is full of good ingredients, and so it's very expensive and the volume is small. But this one here is a whopping 40 milliliters. It moisturizes the skin very well as it contains shea butter. You don't need to purchase a neck cream separately. Massage your neck and make sure you apply this. One more thing, when you age, your earlobes also drop. Don't forget to massage even your earlobes with what remains on your palms. Next, let me show you the essence. With a combination of Bifida ferment lysate and hyaluronic acid, you can feel it enrich your skin while gently getting absorbed. And the lotion, it helps balance water and oil of your skin, which is very important for the health of your skin. And it feels like covering your skin with a thin hydration layer. It is not any ordinary lotion, but it is more like a light moisturizing cream type. So, if you have oily skin, you may finish your daily skincare with just this lotion. Last but not least is nutrition cream. So, if you have dry skin, or if parts of your skin are dry, then your skin will really like this. That's how moisturizing and firm it is. It's also quite dense, and so it feels like it moisturizes deep into the skin. It also deals with skin moisture loss. And above all, this product helps protect the 4 layers of nutritious ingredients that are built on top of each other. You can also feel how it glows, and it coats your skin more smoothly than the lotion. It contains 2% of niacinamide, which is known for skin brightening, and so it has an excellent skin brightening effect. So, I showed you the 5 products, one by one. Depending on your skin conditions or the weather, you can apply them in multiple layers, or reduce the amount you use and apply them accordingly. Atomy has unparalleled absolute quality and absolute price, which won affection for quite a long time. Atomy is the origin of cost-effectiveness, which is all the rage these days. Since Atomy received affection for so long, with the strong will that it will maintain the product for consumers, the flagship product, which is also a national product, out of gratitude for your affection toward the Six System. And therefore, despite such wonderful ingredients and technologies, the price is extremely reasonable. The new masterpiece that will move beyond a decade and continue on for a century. Your everlasting beauty, everlasting fame will be kept intact with the fame. So, this was Atomy's curator, Hayon Lee.